How to see friend request on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Snapchat application. Then go to your profile icon. After that, scroll down and then go to My Friends. Here all your friends will appear. Now if you want to see your latest friend request, go back in the chat section and here in this top right navigation bar, tap on this plus icon and tap on this three dot. Go to friends I have recently added, and here all the friends that you got friend request from will appear. You can also find in this section if any of the friend request is pending. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.